You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? We are looking at how to pronounce this phrase from French, meaning literally but, yes, but it's generally used as meaning yes indeed. You want to emphasize on the fact that you're saying yes. Mais oui, mais meaning but, oui meaning yes. Mais oui, yes indeed. Yeah, we did it. Mais oui, yes, mais oui. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.